Let's just behave.
Invade?
I really want to start Brompos Wolves, but no way for me.
Yeah, Kennen is not the greatest at it. I mean, you could do wolves if you're... Actually no, LeBlanc doesn't have good leash either. Nah, it's not possible unless you're willing to risk life.
Whatever, let's just start shooting.
There we go.
Wait, I'm thinking. How do people do this?
"30 seconds until
You
minions
think
spawn."
I'm crazy? You should see my sister.
I'm interested to see how Simon performs.
I don't even think once about blowing stuff up.
Will be a god like me. Where?
We could only hope he is your real clone. That's
Alright.
great. Man,
Minions have
wouldn't it be
spawned.
cool if we just found a Lordmatics too?
Nile 2.0.
Hi, it's Niall.
And then we have a Nile and Simon team.
That'd be the best team. Oh my god. Oh, it's so
And then
funny.
there is a guy who is his first name called Simon and the second first name Nile, or the other way around.
Yeah,
And then we have a complete
perfect team.
perfect team.
Oh my god. That'd be so funny.
Always ready to cry. I really need a new gun.
Lucian missed one CS. Good. Oops. No, what was that? Why is he pinging me?
The best
I don't know.
Am I like expecting impending doom or something?
What's the worst that could happen?
See, this is what happens when my support randomly leaves the lane. Well, see, you don't need to ward this early. Not that far anyway.
Yeah, true.
For God's sake.
Oh, part of the plan?
Ah man, my last.
Cool. Who needs reasons?
The lane is not in a good spot for me.
I'm wearing a
Oh yeah, it really isn't, is it?
for no reason at all.
Well, KCP is so
Ah, that's good.
we'll use TP.
I'm trying to care. Just
First blood.
Simon is a god.
Well, it's just LeBlanc against Oriana.
Yeah, true. Oh, Simon is no longer a god.
Too greedy, I think.
Yep. He's got a bit of Nile in him.
Maybe it's a clown from us both.
Yeah. The trading.
Enemy has been slain.
If the jungler shows up down here though, easy kills. Easy
Jungler's
kills.
dead. Jungler's dead.
Jungle is dead.
You think
Top lane is pretty easy for me actually.
Well, it's not too bad. I mean, they can't.
I didn't
kill us.
expect it to be so okay for me.
I took my lifesteal runes knowing I had a blitzcrank, you know. Because I knew that he'd just be useless and I'd have to self-sustain. God.
I'm wearing lots of belts
Or back.
for no reason. I feel like I forgot to shoot something.
Pretty exciting which build she used.
Always ready to cry.
Maybe I don't have to teleport. Don't have to. Oh, Simon is ooh.
Okay, no flashes bot lane.
I'm trying to care.
I knew it. That when I'm coming back to lane, that Lee's camping me.
You scouted him out.
Jinx? Stand for Jinx?
Oh, you're getting. Oh, no, other Simon's getting a gank. Man, the fact that we did dragon is good, but it means I can't recall. Or maybe it does mean I can recall. No, it doesn't.
All part of the plan I just made up.
This way we'll be in a really bad spot.
Whatever, let's just start shooting.
Farming could be.
I've got
bit
my
more
ult
on
now, so
point.
if she's ever like recalling under tower with 1 HP, let me know.
Yeah. Well, otherwise I will do my flashy play.
Yeah. Okay, that was a perfect recall for me, because now, or listen, you're getting a lot of pressure. Oh,
Maybe I should have flashed, but she had flash as well.
yeah. It's okay, you're at least drawing the jungler up there.
Yeah, but was still bad. Died 1 versus 1.
I'm about to say something really cool. Really need a new
Good thing is that I didn't use my teleport early on.
Let's just behave. Said no one ever.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You got TP.
No, I used it.
It's fine.
I used
We're good,
bot
we're good.
lane.
You're starting to breathe.
Screw me, Cassiopeia is strong.
Just hang in there. We're actually starting to pull a good lead.
Well, I'm just trying to don't give her kills and
Yeah.
they passive us.
I mean, sacrifice
Much
CS if you
possible.
need to.
Yeah, I have more than her, but she killed me once because of
Whatever, let's just
that.
sing.
And we almost killed her when LeBlanc came, but she has a lot of damage.
Like, the fact I'm ahead of Lucian in the laning phase is a really good sign for us, because this is the only time he should be ahead. Ah, that was good from LeBlanc.
What did she do?
Dodged the Orianna ult, like, quite perfectly, while trading, so... I mean, he's missed every chain, but regardless.
I really need a new gun. But until I have your gun.
Oh, John is not in lane. Yes!
Nice. Did you snipe her? or
Yep.
what?
Hint, I'm not.
I got a blue buff from that too.
Duh! Just kidding, that won't happen.
What happened?
I literally got exhaust and could not do anything.
Okay.
That exhaust slowed my attack speed to 0, I'm almost certain. Oh my god, LeBlanc. Well, he could have got a kill there, but he chose not to.
Oh, boy,
Lagged.
plan, I just made it.
Right. Oh my god, that's so unfortunate. Oh my god. I didn't realise our Blitzcrank had Ignite either. That's when I just realised.
You should see my sister.
Well, I think these top lane. Oh no.
There he
Wait,
is.
but why is she so passive?
Wait,
then?
what the hell? Why? Why? Why did she do that instead of... Oh my god. If I could have saved...
Oh, what a hook.
Killing spree.
Blitz is fine.
Damn.
Rampage.
Fun.
Team!
Where's the good guy?
Sucks when Blitz is roaming and you're alone.
Yep, and I'm not exactly the greatest soloer because I'm... Oh my god, that was good. Oh my god. Oh my god, Vi can actually take those double buffs and win. Whew, that was close. Man, if I wasn't so hesitant with my ultimate, I reckon I could have killed Orianna. Did she die in the end?
So?
Damn. Maybe I should have just pulled the trigger sooner. Because she was choking herself in this corridor here, but I wasn't sure if she was gonna, I don't know, move. Because you gotta consider
Yeah.
traveling as well.
Blowing stuff.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I have teleport by the way, but no ult. She's still missing. I don't know where she is. I
Town?
have more CSs than her. Ult and 30. Maybe we should contest Drake then.
Yeah, I think we can.
Smile! It's all done well.
wonder if I'm allowed this. Yay.
Let's just behave.
I have ult now, so
Okay. God damn it. Blitzcrank's passive makes the minions die under tower.
yeah.
Another reason why I don't like Blitzcrank. And
Well,
again,
the Blitzcrank is really not bad.
yeah, I mean, obviously the skill of the player really affects his usefulness, but the champion itself.
Yeah, true. I was
You got
tempting.
TP.
Yeah, on my way. I cancelled it.
Yeah, do.
Such a loser, always ready to cry.
They're gonna go to dragon so I can get this minion wave. Oh my god, if
Your team has
I'm getting top lane.
yeah, get everything for this. That was a trap and we came out ahead of it. Although they could actually flank. Watch out! Wait, you're not there, but team is.
I'm not Simon. I am Simon, but not that Simon.
You're the different Simon. Oh. Maybe you want to come down.
They're coming top.
Wait, I'm
Well, everyone
thinking.
is safe, so
Yeah. I'm going super greed build. So I actually have lots of damage. Say if I get a good rocket crit. Oh my god. Everyone dies. Oh my god, did you survive a 3-man gank?
probably not.
Yes, you
Yep,
did!
I survived.
Such a loser, always ready to cry.
I even got the kill. Best Painter! Yeah! I don't know. Lee went too deep. If I could have stunned him a bit earlier, he would have died.
I might just come top with you and get the second tower. Bam! Are you okay with this? Oh, I know you're low.
Yeah, I need to recall. I just
Okay.
needed some more gold for Belch Rod.
What balls? Did you see that? My rocket did 0 damage.
Yeah. Close. Be careful, she can
Yeah, I
kill you
don't
easily.
want to kind of duel her.
Golden 25.
I'm crazy. Not adaptable.
Maybe you should stick with your support.
Yeah,
no.
I feel really risky up there.
Oriana, yeah, 4 guys top lane, so
Maybe we can turn this around. Have you got TP?
10 seconds then I have it.
Okay, they're coming back, I guess.
Who needs
Yeah.
reasons?
Ult is up, by the way.
Mine's almost back up.
There are at least
They're gonna grade for me.
three or 4 guys top lane. Wow!
What the balls?
Wow,
What
she
the
was
hell?
so
She panicked
scared.
so hard.
Yeah.
If I get a
the
good
flash-
crit, you'll see it happen.
The flash was okay, but I feel kinda useless. I'm living on an island.
I don't know why I don't play this more. It's ridiculously OP. That Orianna ball's gonna slowly creep in and hit all of us. Oh my god. The only problem is the charge time of the rockets is really long.
I teleported to mid to defend it. Mid turret, if you want turret.
This Cassiopeia is ridiculously dumb. One poison stack on you and you just blow up. Can you flash onto the Lucian? Maybe you can blow him up. Look at that! Look at that! It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I know.
That is so dumb.
That was the thing why I did top.
Aww. Lucian, he does a bit of damage if he gets the crits, but other than that, you can probably take him, even with that health, just so you know.
Yeah. I got Zonia's. Finally, I got a kill. Or at least a good participation. No assist for me before.
Lucian, run sideways a bit, sideways a bit. Oh my god.
Maybe that would have hit when LeBlanc shot up
Yeah,
earlier.
she should have put force the aggression, but
Because then he would eat into it. I don't know.
yeah, I was kind of hoping that because I expected him to, you know, at least retreat, but
Yeah.
just like stealing all the jungle from our Vi. Hope she don't mind. Hyper carry money.
All part of the plan.
Teleport in 1 minute and 30. Oh, Cassiopeia has a visual as well.
Wow, okay, they got a free kill.
I'm pressuring top, if you don't mind.
I've got my rocket if you want to stun him in place. Keep him there, keep him there. Oh, no.
Ah. Orianna's
Oh, I think it
coming
hit
as
somebody
well.
else anyway. On the way.
Orianna no flash.
Really need a range gun.
Completely fine. Trading flash for flash.
I'm crazy.
Drake in 40 seconds and my ult is up in 120. So maybe we have to stall Drake a bit until I have my ult.
I mean, when Dragon spawns, when they go for it, I just reckon we can Baron because
Stands for
this game, if we get it, we can just, I don't know, end. If we go top afterwards, it's kind of free. Can everyone come?
Maybe we should wait for my ult. Safe. Okay, never mind.
Continue it.
I have teleport. Oh, actually I'm going to the top. Wow.
I stayed till the last possible second.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is risky. Maybe I should have stayed and killed her, but I really wanted to back.
Oh, come on.
Wait, never mind, watch, double kill, double kill. Bonk. Where'd they go?
No clue.
I bet they're either sat in the bush or ran manually.
This fucking heal. Man, this game is so boring for me.
That's what happens when Jinx? Actually, I call it kill drive.
Well, it's not over yet, so... They still have a pretty good teamfight team. Especially when Cassiopeia is not focused and she's ripping through us.
Yeah, she is the only threat I'm actually considering.
We need a pink ward or at least a ward of Baron.
Always ready to cry.
Blitzcrank used all his wards at Dragon for some reason.
Yeah. I don't know, the three kills on Lucian were not good.
No. I don't actually know what happened, I didn't see it.
It was just really lucky. Jenna and the summoner heal kept them alive.
Whatever, let's just start shooting. What's the worst that could happen?
What? It went through everyone! Wow, that immediate kick.
No! Fucking Jenna ult.
Just peel back this with me. Wait, this way, this way.
Ah, man, if I would have had my flash like 5 seconds earlier, I would have flashed into them Zonias and 5-man ultimate. But then Jenna just... Oh, fuck.
Brianna, just wait up.
Oh, your damage is insane as well. Nice. Go for Nash, go for Nash. I have teleport, I can join you. The biggest threat are not there, so easy Baron.
This is not good. Vi is so low. I will heal her if we need to, but I don't want to. No junglers are alive. Man, if that
I
jungler
was scared
stole
that I was scared that the poison from Cassiopeia would actually take the
very.
Nash.
I
need to
stopped hitting it
defend.
and started focusing the champions because in that situation, panic smites always fail.
Yeah.
At least we've got Baron on 3 members. Just don't give Lucian a triple.
An ally has been slain.
There's one.
Coming from behind. Coming from behind.
Triple kill! Now that's how we AoE. What the hell
I
am
messed
I?
up my Q, but yeah. Still have teleport.
It's a stupid Cassiopeia! Oh my god, she had ult this entire time? Oh my Jesus.
I think it just came back up.
I hope so.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh my god.
Wow. But you saw my damage onto 3 of them.
Yeah, I
just
got
sort
my
of
rocket there as
alone.
well. Oh, ridiculous. My Q isn't a teleport. Pop.
Making sure to get into the enemy base.
Ready for the greatest sniper of all time.
Hold on 30.
Oh man, everyone's running away. Woo.
You think I'm crazy? You should see my sister.
And my Q accuracy is not good. I still have TP and flash and teleport now.
I'm trying to shoot
Someone else is here with Ludens.
Should you probably not contest? Wait, you did not have a word?
Couldn't actually reach it with my rocket.
Are you ready?
Yep. Yeah.
No, don't.
Oh, dude, I could be dead then.
Yeah. Sorry. But I don't want to fight 4 versus 5. Even if it's a good engage. I think we need Vi because she's the most fat member of our team.
I don't know, your on all 5 of them could have been huge.
Yeah, I was thinking about it, but just imagine Jenna ult and I'm fucked.
True, I suppose.
So
Yeah, like that.
Look at this.
Wow, Blitz. If he landed that, then it would have been good. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh no, I'm not there either.
I'm crazy.
Where have they all ran?
Whatever.
Probably bottom jungle.
Start shooting.
Going straight for the neck. Oh.
Jinx?
And would have been a good engage if Jenna used her ult earlier. Maybe I need to insta Zonias so I'm not getting thrown away.
And she's gone.
I'm thinking bot turret.
Don't think that heal was necessary, but didn't want to risk it.
Yeah.
I'm thinking.
You have to probably try and kill them.
So much mobility.
Dance for Jinx?
Don't find without me.
This is really awkward because you have no vision, really. Not good vision, anyway.
Yeah,
Best intentions.
we only have one Drake. Wow.
Wait, is that it? Oh dear.
I have teleport.
Maybe you go bomb and get ready for
Seriously.
Baron.
Yeah, 40 seconds. Flash in 2 minutes. Maybe they're pushing mid.
Hmm.
I'm crazy.
LeBlanc's gonna get killed, I can almost feel it.
Oh man, why is too deep? Man, this fucking Jenna. Exhaust and all things.
Enemy killing spree.
Everyone's gone into full solo queue mode.
Yeah.
You think I'm crazy? You should see my sister.
Free Drake. I have free Nash.
Always ready to cry.
Yeah, they got it already. Just go back in base. We really need Mal to fight. Careful, it's Oriana's ulting.
Alright,
Good at 50.
Wow. Does Fire literally do negative damage?
Nice. Okay, now we can push.
come on. What's the worst that could happen? Shut up.
Oh, that was nice. 20 seconds.
Yeah, but at least. Oh. Maybe we can get more. We just rush more. Nice! Nice. Oh. Phew.
There's some LP.
17. Oh man, I really like Kennen top, but against Jenna it's so dumb. I would have got 2 or 3 perfect ultimates onto at least 4 guys, but then she just ulted me away.
Hmm. We did have one good one in the mid where we got a triple. Your ult,
Yeah,
my ult,
okay.
and just
Yeah,
exploded
yeah.
on the entire team. It did even more damage because at that point I didn't have any attack speed items. I had Bloodthirster and Infinity Edge.
Yeah, but overall they had a really squishy comb, so this was really good for me.
And me, yeah. It just
Yeah.
makes life a lot easier.
No,
I got a
no
QSS
really
but didn't have to use it.
tank.